Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe and to ring the bell to be notified for my next video. So today I wanted to do an affordable drugstore makeup look for those of you who will come back to school in September or earlier, depending on where you are. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so today I will do a more soft, classic type of look because I think that when you're in school, like more in high school or college or stuff like that, I'm not sure it's really the place to have a lot of makeup on, depending on the school that you are. Some of schools don't want girls or boys to wear makeup, so it will be really soft, really not elegant, but you know, classic, nothing over the top. And when I was in high school, I didn't wear a lot of makeup, and when I did, I didn't know what I was doing, so I had the horrible line of foundation right here that was absolutely beautiful. So today I will try to do really focusing on the skin and nothing crazy, because when I was in high school I just wanted to sleep, you know, so the more sleep that I could have, the better. So it will be a quickly makeup look. So let's begin. I did an order in Wet n Wild not long ago, so I will try them all. No, not try them all, but I will try some of them product in my video. I'm really excited about that. I did moisturize my skin. I will not use any primer because, you know, I think that the minimal product is the better, because like I said, in the morning we don't really have a lot of time to do a over-the-top makeup look. So I will go right in with the foundation, and I will try today the Wet n Wild foundation photo focus, and it's in the shade Nude Ivory. So we will try this one. I hope it's gonna match my skin more. Like it's a little bit light because I have a little bit of a tan going on, but I think it's gonna be alright at the end. I mean, I hope so. Yeah, it's a little light, but what is great about this foundation, in my opinion, is the price, first of all, because when you're a student you don't really have a lot of money. And in a high school or in school, I think to remember that we did a lot of photo, you know, a lot of pictures for the yearbook, or to have memories with your girlfriend. So this foundation is great because it's been tested with top smartphone models and different light conditions, with or without flashlight, you know. I'm gonna build the foundation. Because I have some imperfections that I want to hide, and to see how it builds up. If you are looking for a foundation in the drugstore area, I recommend the L'Oreal one, the last one, 24 hours Luminous foundation, something like that. The last Maybelline, you know, the Urban Cover Dream. And if you have more an oily type of skin, there is the one from Maybelline, Superstay coverage, that I really like, and it's more in the matte side. So after doing this, I will do concealer, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, this one, in the shade Ivory. I'm not gonna do a big triangle and stuff. I'm just gonna do, you know, the line like this, going up in the corner as well. A little bit here, 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 to bring some light. And with my sponge, I'm gonna blend everything. I'll bring you a little bit closer so you can see the result, but it really brings light under the eyes, so I really like this one. I'm gonna try the concealer from Wet n Wild in the same collection, Photo Focus, for my imperfections. You just dot a little bit, not too much. And with my fingers, I'm gonna tap it to blend everything. So to fix everything, I'm gonna use today the Maybelline Face Studio Setting Powder, but I recommend for you to take in school if you want in your bag something more like this. This one is the Wet n Wild. Obviously, I'm not sponsored. It's just, like I said, I did an order to try the brand. But it's really good because it's a press powder, so it's really easier for you to touch up your face during the day. But I'm not going to use this one today to change up a little bit, not use only Wet n Wild. So, like I said, the Maybelline one for today, I'm going to put it under the eyes to fix the concealer. I'm also gonna place it in the line of the smile, the nose. Okay, so I did my brows because I didn't have any drugstore for you or affordable makeup, but I recommend if you have a brownish powder, even an eyeshadow or something like that, you can use to fill out your brows. So now what's the next step? I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer because I think that's okay for school. So today I'm gonna use the L'Oreal one. It's kind of an old one, but it works really well. It's the GLAM Bronze Blonde Harmony. Again, nothing crazy, but just to bring some dimension to the face. Otherwise, if you have only foundation, I think it's kind of weird. That's what I did before, but when you go to use bronzer for the first time, you're like, oh, why I did not do that before? I was really afraid because I have a fair skin, so I always thought people gonna notice, it's not gonna be pretty on me, but that's not true. So even if you're fair, porcelain, like Snow White, do a little bit of bronzer. You just have to find your shade. I like to do a little bit of nose, but we're not gonna contour everything. It's just, you know, to bring a little bit of the sun was kissing my face all summer. Kind of look. Good. A little bit of blush. It's too bad because I ordered a beautiful blush from Wet n Wild. It was an apricot type of blush, and it arrived all messed up. So yeah, too bad. I can't use it because it's really destroyed. It's not like a little bit of fallout. No, it's destroyed. So too bad. Today I'm gonna go for the Zoeva. Where's the names? He Loves Me, maybe. this one. It can look a little bit intimidating, but it's really not. You just have to be careful because it's really pigmented, but you know, just a little bit on the cheek. I think you look really sweet and 16. You know, I'm young, I have color on my cheek. I just ran a little bit to go to school, not to be late. See? I feel more awake, more young, more everything. I think it's really pretty. And it doesn't look over the top, so that's good. And there is as well from L'Oreal, Life a Peach. Really, it's really beautiful as well. Okay, now I'm gonna use a little bit of highlights because a little glow can hurt you. So I want to use today the Precious Petals from Wet n Wild, but you have as well the Glow to My Life, something like that from L'Oreal, that is really pretty. And from Maybelline you have, you know, the round highlighter, what it's called, can't remember, Molten Gold, something like that. That is really pretty as well. Let's see, I heard so much about you. I just want to know if you're worth the hype. It looks really pretty. Ooh, I love the feeling, just like butter. It looks beautiful. And that's really pretty. You can put a little bit here, so when you smile, yeah. I'm just glowing from within. See, right here on my chubby cheeks. A little bit here, a little bit here. I think that the highlight is really your preferences. If you want to put a little bit on your forehead, you know, if you're not really into the highlight, I guess that's okay. No, but really, you just do you know? A little bit on the bridge of the nose, right here, because that's so cute. I love it. Keep it bow. Okay, I love this highlight. I love it. For the eyes. Okay, so you can do just mascara and that just be fine. Or if you want to do a little bit something, you can use a bronzer. And you can take a fluffy brush, if I can find you, yeah, here. I'm gonna take just the one from L'Oreal that I used before. You'd put a little bit on a fluffy brush. And just here to define the crease, you know, to bring a little bit of dimension. Nothing crazy. So I really love this tip because, like I said, it's easy, it's quick. You don't have to use a ton of different product. You just use your bronzer and that's it. So just on the crease, and you don't have to do anything precise. You just blend like that. Go back and forth, and that's it. Just a way of opening your eyes. Yeah, I'm awake, teacher, I'm listening to you. And for the lips, I really advise something quick, like a bullet lipstick, nothing like a liquid lipstick or something like that, because it's gonna take time in the morning, and like I say, you just want to sleep in the morning, so understand you guys. So today I'm gonna use the one from Maybelline Superstay in Crayon in the color 15, Lead the Way. Okay, smells really good. See, a beautiful nude. Here it's a pinky mauvey nude. What do you think? And if you want a bit of a gloss, you can, because I really want to try this one that I bought. And it's the color SUNGLAZE from Wet n Wild. Okay, so it's this one. Doesn't smell anything. It's a pinky gloss. So I'm gonna just put on the center of the lips and a little bit of the cupid bow, and that's all. Ooh, really pigmented. Here you go, an affordable makeup look for school. I hope that you enjoyed the look. Please put a like on the video if you liked it. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please comment down below if you are coming back to school this September. And I wish you a lot of good luck for this new year. I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.